How to check Oppo LCD and touch screen using dial code. So if you want to check Oppo LCD and touch screen using your dial code, then first you just need simply go with your dial pad. Once you open your dial pad, you just need simply enter a code, which is star hash 0 star hash star hash star. After entering the code in your phone's dialer, you can press call and it will lead you through the process of the touch screen test. It will display a grid of dots on your screen. Or if that doesn't work, then you can also go with the second one, which is star hash 0 star hash, and then again press call, and it will take you to the process of checking your Oppo LCD and touch screen using your dial pad. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.